लेटेस्ट मोबाइल फ़ोन्स के रिव्यूज़ जानने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलें।
To choose one or two spec which is the same for all the collections.
There's a chance for me to explore something new. I do that for fun.
I observe all the details in my life.
Time to explore.
Our directed life.
Time freedom.
Taste the moment.
QMobile A1 with 16 megapixel moonlight selfie camera and A1 Lite with 20 megapixel moonlight selfie camera.